We will guide you through how to replace layer in Photopea. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click your browser icon to launch it. After the browser opens, click on the address bar, type Photopea, and then press enter on your keyboard to search. From the search results, select the top option, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘, to open the official website. Once the Photopea homepage appears on your screen, click the Open from Computer option to access your photo. Locate the photo you prepared earlier, click on it, and then select Open to load it into the editor. After the editing page finishes loading, press Ctrl+0 on your keyboard so the canvas automatically fits your screen, making it easier to work comfortably. To replace a layer in Photopea, begin by preparing the file or image that you want to use as the replacement. Next, go to the File menu located at the top of the workspace. From the menu, choose the Open and Place option to insert your prepared file into the current project. Browse your computer until you find the prepared file or image, click on it, and then select Open to place it into Photopea. At this point, the replacement file has been added successfully, allowing you to use it instead of the existing layer. Next, delete the layer you want to replace if you no longer need it in your project. If you think you may use the original layer again later, you can simply hide it instead of deleting it, making it available for future editing whenever necessary. By understanding how to replace a layer in Photopea, you can confidently apply similar techniques in many other editing projects and improve your workflow. You have now successfully learned how to replace a layer in Photopea and can use this method whenever needed for future editing tasks with confidence and efficiency.